How to buy MEPU token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before we go on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. So this token, it's on pre-sale right now, so if you click on their official website, you will be able to redirect to this page. Now what you need to do after that, as you can see, you need to connect your wallet first. Now, as you can see here, what you need to do, just first of all, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and here type how much you want to buy with that token. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now click on buy now. So here you will be able to connect your wallet. So I will just select this wallet MetaMask. So as you can see now, after that, I will just log in to my wallet first. So after that, what you need to do, just click on connect. And as you can see, after you connect your wallet, so because I don't have any fund on my wallet, I can't be able to see here buy. So in your case, you will be able to see buy here. Now click on it, and a pop-up from your wallet will be appear here to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy MEPU token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.